These keto brownies are rich, fudgy, and honestly taste like the real thing. Today I'm showing you my go-to keto brownie recipe that's simple, fast, and seriously satisfying. In a large microwave-safe bowl, add 1/2 cup butter and 2/3 cup keto chocolate chips. And microwave for 30 seconds, stir it, and repeat this process until it's fully melted. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2/3 of a cup of powdered keto sweetener, two room temperature eggs, and 3/4 of a cup of fine almond flour. And mix it very well. Pour it onto a parchment-lined 8 by 8 inch baking pan. And smooth out the top. And I like to dot mine with a few keto chocolate chips. And bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out almost clean. And that's it, delicious keto brownies. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.